supervisor, to Ms. Rosemary S. Verola, our honorable guest speaker, to our beloved principal, Mrs. Jocelyn C. Monterola, to our school president, Mr. Francis M. Lorente, faculty and staff, our dear parents, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. We are here to celebrate this solemn and joyous occasion. It is a great honor for me to speak to all of you on behalf of my class. 4 years ago, we all came here as preteens. I remember entering the room on the first day of being a high school student. I was afraid to make friends. The 4 years spent in this school has been academically tough, but exciting and fruitful. We made friends and enemies, but we cannot deny the fact that we learned from them too. Now, we are the seniors who stand here, ready to graduate and move forward in the world. How can we forget our outdoor activities, the field trips, the school competitions, our foundation day, and so on and so forth? We move as being those clueless and shy freshmen to becoming sophomore who they thought they all knew how things work out here. When we reached our junior year, we were all confident and prepared to take over the graduating seniors and couldn't wait to rule the school. And now, our rule is over, and it's up to the next class to step into our shoes and take over. Indeed, high school is the best stage of our lives. High school life prepared us to the next phase of our education. It will be a little bit scary, but we are ready to face the risk. For our teachers, thank you for teaching us. Thank you for patiently explaining to us the lessons, sometimes repeatedly because we weren't listening. You molded us to what we are now today. Thank you for making class discussions interesting so that we wouldn't get bored, for understanding us when we're all tired because of the events in the school. There are so many things that you've done to us to help us in our studies. As the saying goes, a good teacher explains, a superior teacher demonstrates, and a great teacher inspires. You truly inspired all of us. I would like to give a special thanks to our class advisor, Mr. Richie Gonzaludo. Thank you for being a teacher, a friend, and a father to all of us, for caring for us like we are your own children. Even though you are busy sometimes, you were always there to support us and check if we're doing fine. Thank you for your patience when we're all cornering you on an argument. Pasensya na po sa pagiging pasaway. It was our way of getting your attention. To Mr. Ronel Franco Landrito, for pushing us to our limits, for believing in our abilities, for giving us inspirational words. You made us do things that we thought we couldn't do. You made us experience hardships and taught us to enjoy life and see things in a positive perspective. You became a good teacher in class and a great friend outside school. You were there when we needed guidance and too shy to ask for help to our parents. You always supported us. Thank you for all the things you've done to us. To my closest friends and batchmates, we've known each other for 4 years. Thank you for the friendship and happy memories, for making every school day a party, for being supportive, for caring, and for the love, for laughing at my knock-knock and corny jokes. To Alex, Vincent, Steven, and Paolo, who were always there when I needed help. I never thought we would get this close to each other. To Nicole, Joey, and Iman, for being concerned, for being a friend, and for helping me do my projects. To Jao, for always supporting and accompanying me. You were my guy best friend. You know me well. Thank you for always understanding me. To the Mongi group, for being my escort when I go home and for being mighty man. To Jessie, Judy, Kathleen, Anna, and Jasmine, and the others, for all the happy and crazy moments. To my best friends, just say, for Nika, even though you have your new friends, you never forget us and was always there for us. For Jessa, I know I can sing better than you, but because you're my friend, I will give it up for you. You were the youngest in the group when it comes in height. Thank you, friendship, for the laughter. To Mimi, for being our nanay, you listened to my problems and gave me advices. You and Jessa were the craziest in the group. Without you, school is boring because we don't hear your beautiful voice. Thank you so much, guys. I will never forget you all. Even though we are parting schools now, I hope it's not yet goodbye. Because goodbye means going away, and going away means forgetting. Of course, to my greatest best friend, Jacel Maria Oliva, thank you for everything, for understanding me, for laughing at my corny jokes because you really think it's funny, for always supporting me, for being my best friend, for everything. I'm proud to say that I belong to this batch. I just want to thank all of you for making my high school life a great experience. We all know that we are not perfect, but I'm glad that even if we are imperfect, we still accept each other as family. I'm so glad that I had the opportunity to be friends with you. Graduation day is the combination of sadness and happiness. It may be the last day to meet your friends, but it is also the start of new life. Now to those who I owe the greatest thanks of all, Mom, Dad, Ate Jashi, Jariel, and Jules. You were always there for me when I felt like I wanted to give up. You put a smile on my face. You dragged me out of bed each morning, made sure I ate my breakfast. You sent me to school. You helped me with my homeworks, paid my tuition fees, and listened to my complaints. You supported me in the contest I joined, even though it's dancing. You were there to attend the special events in my life, including this. You gave me enough space to learn how to work things out for myself. Those are just a few of the thousands of ways you've supported me on my journey. All the things I've achieved so far are all for you. Mom, Dad, I promised myself to make you too proud. I wouldn't be here without you. You were my inspirations. I will always make you proud. I love you, Mom and Dad. Please don't get tired of understanding me and listening to my stories. Thank you so much for taking care of me. Someday, I'll be the one who will take care of you. Allow me to pay tribute to our parents. Isang malaking karangalan para sa akin na magbigay pugay sa ating mga magulang. Nais ko po kayong pasalamatan sa pagtataguyod sa amin upang makamit namin ang edukasyon na aming puhunan para sa isang magandang kinabukasan. You want the best things for us, and for you, we will achieve those best things and make you proud of us. We wouldn't be here without you. Saludo po kami sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.